Hello students, I wish you all a healthy, safe and pleasant morning. Today we will take a new chapter, new topic of your grammar book, Grammar Way, lesson number 11 titled Subject Verb Agreement. Dear students, this is also a very interesting topic and the correct knowledge of the use of verb with subjects provided will give you very good idea of speaking correct English and writing correct English. It is also very important like modal verbs because sometimes we used to speak wrong English and the English which is convenient to us. But when we learn a language, we should learn it properly with correct rules and with correct forms. Before starting this, I must tell you that to know the correct agreement of subject and verb, rules are a must. We have to follow certain rules to know the correct uses of verb with the subjects. So this chapter will teach us how a subject and a verb agree with each other to form meaningful sentences. The first rule is when two singular subjects are joined by and, they take a plural verb. Like Varun and his brother study in the same school. Here Varun and his brother both are singular. So, and these both the singular nouns are added with, joined with and, so the verb will be plural here. So Varun and his brother study in the same school. When two singular subjects are joined by and express a single idea, the verb is used singular. In the first case, two singular subjects are joined by and, then a plural form of verb will be used. And in the second rule, when two singular subjects are joined by and express a single idea, the verb will be singular. Like 4 and 4 makes 8. 4 and 4 both are same and giving a single idea that it will make 8. So the verb will be singular. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Butter is generally generally goes with bread. So bread and butter are always taken together, so giving a single idea. So although they are joined with and, singular verb is used, that is. Similarly, many other words are also there like horse and chariot, needle and thread, bread and jam. Many other words are like that, and when these are used, then the verb will be singular. Like slow and steady wins the race. If you have heard about the story of the tortoise and the hare, they had a race and at the end the tortoise wins. So the moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. So here slow and steady is used for the tortoise, giving the single idea. So although slow and steady is added with and, but the verb, singular verb, that is is used. The third rule is when two singular subjects are joined by and refer to the same person, the verb is singular. Like the guitarist and singer hails from a small town. Here guitarist and singer both are the same person. Here the article the is used before guitarist and there is no article before singer. So the person is possessing both the qualities, is a guitarist also and singer also. Hails from a small town, since it is about a single person, so the verb will be in singular form. Now this rule, if the article is used once, the two subjects refer to the same person. If the article is used twice, the two subjects refer to two different people and the verb is therefore plural. Now in this rule, if you follow this rule, here in the sentence, the dancer and the painter were trained abroad. Here article the is used twice. One is before dancer, another is before painter. So here dancer and painter both are different people. So when they are joined with and, the verb will be in plural form. Now each, every, everyone, either, neither take a singular verb. We have learnt about it earlier also, that each goes for each one of something. Every is also for all, everyone, either, neither, either and neither, anyone. We have already learnt about it. Each book on the shelf has been carefully selected, means one book on the shelf is carefully selected. Every student in this complex takes a keen interest in gardening, means one resident of the complex is taking interest in gardening. Everyone has received an invitation to the party, means each and every person is invited. Either of the students is chosen to speak. Any one of the students will be chosen to speak on the topic what will be given there. Neither of the sums was easy, means not a single sum, means neither of the sums means neither of the two or neither of many will be easy. All are tough. When two subjects are joined with either or, neither nor. Here now we are talking about either or, neither nor, or sometimes people say either, neither also. When two subjects are joined by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. When we are going to use the verb, we will see which subject is nearest. Now, as per the examples, either you or he has to complete the work by evening. Here, he is nearest to the verb, so we have written has here. Otherwise, if you is there, then we would have written have. Neither she nor I have submitted the project. Here I is nearest, so we have written here it is written have. If she was there, we would have done she has. Be very careful, dear students. Go through the rules very carefully, learn the rules, then only you will be able to do the correct the exercises correctly. When the subjects joined by or nor are of different numbers, we place the plural subject near the verb and the verb is plural. Either Henry or his friends have cleared the area. Here his friends is nearest to the verb have, so his friends is the second one, and after that we have used the verb, so we have written have because friends is plural, so have will be used instead of has. Similarly, neither Sheila nor her sisters like traveling by bus. Here sisters is plural, so we haven't written likes, we have written like, the plural form of verb. When two subjects are joined by with or as well as, the verb agrees with the first subject in number and person. Here the teacher with all her students has gone for a nature walk. Here we, as per the rule, we have to take the we have to follow the verb according to the noun which is mentioned in the beginning. In the beginning it is mentioned the teacher, which is a singular noun, so that's why, and with is also there, it's added with which, with. So as per the sentence, the teacher with all her students has gone for a nature walk. We have written has because the teacher is singular. The daughters as well as the mother speak very softly. Here again the daughters the daughters are plural, so and the sentence is joined with the help of as well as, so instead of taking the verb according to the mother, we have to take the daughters. So the daughters is plural, so that's why here it is written speak very softly. We haven't written speaks because the daughters because the daughters are plural form of noun. When two subjects are joined by not only but also, the verb agrees with second subject in number and person. Not only the cats but the dogs also, not only the cats but the dog also is ferocious. I repeat the sentence, not only the cats but the dog also is ferocious. Here as per the rule, if we take not only but also, or here it is also is missing, not only the cats but also the dog. Yeah, the dog also is written after the dog. Not only the cats but the dog also is ferocious. As per the rule, it is said that in these cases, in the case of not only but also, we have to take the form of verb according to the second noun as per person and number. So the dog is singular, so we have taken here is, that is a singular form of verb. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the class referred to is considered to be a single unit. I repeat, a collective noun takes a singular verb when the class referred to is considered to be a single unit. The jury is ready with a verdict. Jury is the collection of judges. So here it is collective noun. So here jury is acting as a single unit. So is, that is singular form of verb, is used. But when the number of a class are considered to be individuals, the verb is plural. The committee were divided in their opinion of the proposal. Or you can say the members of the committee were divided. That is better. That is better than writing directly the committee. If it is written like that, the members of the committee were divided in their opinion of the proposal, it would have been better. Some nouns which are singular in form take a plural verb. Generally the collective nouns kettle, folk, majority, minority, public, police, nobility. These kind of words look singular but they mean plural. So generally we say the policemen, or whenever the word police is used, it will be considered as plural. Public is plural, although no S is there after these words. So the police have arrested the gang of robbers. Next rule is some nouns which are plural in form take a singular verb. As we have just now done, that some nouns look singular but they are plural in form. Some nouns look plural but they are singular in form. Like mathematics, dynamics, news, physics, electronics, statistics. We can say politics also. These all words have S after the S at the end of end. So generally it's a common thinking that whenever there is a S after a verb, we used to consider it as plural. But none of these words are plural, although they have S at the end. So mathematics is an interesting subject. Okay. So here mathematics has S at the end, but then also we have used a singular form of verb after mathematics. The relative pronoun and the noun for which it stands must agree with the verb in a sentence. Like Beena is one of those girls who are never late to school. Beena is compared to or Beena is coming among those girls who are never late to school. Beena also comes in that category among the girls who are never late to school. Although Beena is singular, but here Beena is in the category of other girls also who are always come to school on time. Words such as measles, mumps, trousers, jeans, scissors, tongs, billiards and spectacles are plural in form but take verbs in the singular. Measles is the name of a disease, mumps also the name of a disease. Trousers are considered to be singular from top and plural from bottom, since we have two by the bottom. Then jeans also same. Scissors also have two blades, but they come in one category. It's a single thing. Tongs also, they have two hands. Billiards, all these things, and spectacles also two glasses. These all are plurals and they have s also at the end, but they are one in meaning, one in form. So a singular form of verb will be used. Measles is an infectious disease common in children. Okay. Similarly, sometimes we say it comes. Sometimes we say my spectacles. I have my spectacles is lost. But we can say the pairs of my spectacles are lost. Generally we used to say like that. So these were the rules, dear students. I hope that you will learn all these rules with their examples. If you learn the examples also, it will be easier for you to understand the things. So if you read 2-3 times all these rules, you will understand it in a better way, because subject verb agreements exercises you won't be able to do if you don't know the rules and the correct uses of the verbs with their subjects. You have some exercises here which I have already solved, so kindly go through them, but understand properly why these are the answers, and then only you will write in your book, or I would also suggest you write in copy also. Then it will be like a revision also for you. Each student, it is already given, has scored well in the test. As per the rule we have done that if each is there, then the singular verb will be used. The quality of these carrots is really good, because we are talking about the quality, not the carrots. So quality is singular. Statistics is, we have already done the statistics look plural, but it is singular, it's a subject. Paper, you can say. Ria is one of those students who never disobey. Sorry, it will be disobey. It will be disobey here. Kindly see this. Ria is one of those students who never disobey. We are talking about other students also, the teachers. The manager with all his officers, we have also done this rule that the first nouns form will be taken here. The manager is singular here, so is taken here. The police, we have just now done, police is plural, the police were able to arrest the thief finally. The architect and engineer, since there is no article before engineer, so the architect and engineer, both the words are for the same person, a single person, so we have used here singular form of verb. The architect and engineer has an office in the neighborhood. The daughter as well as the parents, as well as is given, so the first noun, that is the daughter, the form of verb will be used which is suitable for the word the daughter. So we have written here like the singular form of verb. Now you have to write the sentences correctly. It is given Nitesh is one of those boys who never takes things seriously. So the answer will be Nitesh is one of those boys who never take things seriously. We are talking about the boys here, many boys. Everyone were disappointed with the magic show. Everyone was disappointed. We are talking about each and everyone. Neither of these toys are useful. Okay, neither of these toys. So since neither also we are using the singular form of verb, so neither of these toys is useful will be the answer. Either you or I has to take the dog for a walk. Here we have to take the verb form for the dog, which is singular. No, sorry, I'm sorry. Here neither you or I has to take the dog for a walk. Here either you or I, we have to take the verb form which is nearest to it. So I is nearest, so we have to take the form of I. So with I, have is suitable, so either you or I have to take the dog for a walk. Are measles contagious? Here measles is a disease, so the S doesn't matter whether it is a singular or plural, so the answer will be is measles contagious. 7th, the cattle is grazing in the meadow. Here as we have done the rules a bit complicated for you, because sometimes we are using singular, sometimes we are using plural. Since here the cattle is grazing in the meadow, we are talking about a particular cattle. So the cattle, there are many cattles in the meadow. Generally we used to see many cattle used to graze. So here for this particular sentence we are using the cattle are grazing in the meadow, although the cattle is grazing in the meadow also sometimes considered correct. We consider that answer also correctly sometimes. Alia and Payal goes for a walk in the morning. This is the first rule. Alia and Payal both are singular nouns. So Alia and Payal go for a walk in the morning, because go is the plural form of verb. Now you have to change the form of verbs. You have to correct the form of verbs and write in the space given here. Naveen and his friends, word, because we have to use the verb form which is nearest to it. So friends is plural, so we have it is written here word. Near their school, we are talking about the school, so it will be was instead of word. Naveen was one of those boys who were excellent in swimming. We are talking about boys here, so it will be word. Neither Mohan nor Manish, here since neither nor is given, so it will be singular, it will be was here. Were terrified of the water, not only Mohan but Manish also. Again not only but also we used to write the singular form of verb, so it will be was. Interested only in watching Naveen swim. Naveen with his friends, since with is used, so again it will be singular form of verb, so it will be was here. Looking forward to the swimming competition, which was, we are talking about a competition, so it will be was going to be held next month. Mohan as well as, again it is as well as used, so here again it will be was instead of word. So dear students, exercise A, B and C, all the three exercises have been solved. Answers are written. I'll be sending you the PDF to you along with the video. So kindly go through them properly, understand why these words are used, why the correction has been done, and then only you'll write in your book, because the same sentences may not come in exam. Sentences could be changed also. So if you don't know the rules and if you just copy down these answers in your book, you will be not able to understand, and then exam If other questions will be given, you will make them wrong. So kindly understand it in a better way. Go through the rules. The rules are very interesting and it will be beneficial for you for your future also. You will be learning how to speak good English, how to write good English, and your English, the sense of vocabulary and the knowledge of English will enhance, and you will never do mistake in writing articles or any other writing materials whenever it will be given to you, and your spoken part will also be improved. So dear students, this is the end of today's class. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.